Hello everyone, I am Ambalika6 from Swami Vivekananda Institute of Modern Science. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about DBMS concept. This video is a continuation of my previous video, part 1. In my previous video, I have already discussed about some basic terms of DBMS such as data, database, DBMS, etc. Also discuss about the advantage of DBMS over normal file system and users, DBA, and of course the role of a DBA. A DBMS has appropriate languages and interfaces to express database queries and updates. Database languages can be used to read, store, and update the data in the databases. There are basically 4 types of DBMS languages: DDL, DML, DCL, and TCL. DDL stands for Data Definition Language. It is used to define database structure or pattern. It is used to create schema, tables, indexes, constant, etc. in the database. Actually, data definition language is used to store the information of metadata like the number of tables and schemas, their names, columns in each table, etc. Here are some tasks that come under DDL: create, alter, drop, rename, comment, truncate, etc. DML stands for Data Manipulation Language. It is used for accessing and manipulating data in a database. It handles user request. Here are some tasks that come under DML, like select, insert, update, delete, merge, call, lock table, explain plan, etc. DCL stands for Data Control Language. It is used to retrieve the stored or saved data. The DCL execution is transactional. Here are some tasks that come under DCL: commit, rollback, save point transaction. DCL is used to run the changes made by the DML statement. DCL means Transaction Control Language. DCL can be grouped into a logical transaction. Here are some tasks that come under TCL: grant, revoke. A database system is partitioned into modules that deals with each of the responsibilities of the overall system. The functional components of a database system can be broadly divided into query processor components and storage manager components. The query processor components include DML compiler, DDL interpreter, and query evaluation engine. DML compiler translates DML statements in a query language into low-level instruction that the query evaluation engine understands. In addition, the DML compiler attempts to transform a user's request into an equivalent but more efficient form, thus finding a good strategy for executing the query. DDL interpreter interprets DDL statements and records them in a set of tables containing metadata. Query evaluation engine, which executes low-level instructions generated by the DML compiler. Second component is Storage Manager. The Storage Manager components provides the interface between the low-level data stored in the database and the application programs and queries submitted to the system. The Storage Manager components include Authorization and Integrity Manager, Transaction Manager, File Manager, and Buffer Manager. Authorization and Integrity Manager test for the satisfaction of integrity constraints and checks the authority of users to access data. Whereas Transaction Manager ensures that the database remains in a consistent state despite system failures and that concurrent transaction executions proceed without conflicting. Now File Manager, which manages the allocation of space on disk storage and the data structures used to represent information stored on disk. Finally, Buffer Manager is responsible for fetching data disk storage into main memory and deciding what data to cache in memory. Third part is known as disk storage. It includes data files, which store the database itself, data dictionary, which stores metadata about the structure of the database, indices, which provide fast access to data items that hold particular values, and finally statistical data, which store statistical information about the data in the database. Thanks for watching my video. Please like it, share it, and subscribe it for my upcoming videos. Till then, stay tuned and stay safe. Bye.